LaCroix is a French term that means the cross. So we thought we'd learn more about this Christian beverage by doing a taste test. We have a trash can full of LaCroix. I was told the liner was clean. We're tasting all the regular flavors. Slim cans don't count. Let's do this.
Wink.
I'm so good.
What am I doing? Drum roll. Where's the finesse? Where's the science?
Is this?
Praise God from whom all blessed. Just kidding.
Tangerine.
So suave.
What do you guys think of my bow tie?
Fun fact, you know why we clink glasses?
Wait, why do we do that?
Because it was believed that you did it so that some of your drink would go in the other person's and vice versa. So if they poisoned you, they wouldn't get it sometimes.
I switched glasses when your back was turned. Ha ha, you fool!
My favorite, I would say lime and coconut. I don't even know what pamplemousse is.
What does Pepe Mousse taste like?
We're seeing him open the cans in front of us.
This is pumpernickel.
Oh, lemon.
Good to cleanse the mango.
Absolutely.
Like Lysol.
It's pure. That's not LaCroix.
I think there's a flavor in there.
Wait, did you have taste bud action?
No.
I think you'll find there might be a flavor.
I can't tell because there's so many flavors in my mouth.
Actually, you're both wrong. It's just the pure flavor with a little bit of Glade in it.
Raise the roof.
People still raise a roof?
I think most roofs are sound now, so that they do not, in fact,
They don't
be
raise.
altered once they're installed.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Is this?
You know what this
is.
is.
This is coconut.
Oh, yeah.
No.
No, I smelled it.
Out of 10, what
No,
would you
thank
give
you.
it?
A 0.
-5.
You know, I actually don't mind it. Some people say it tastes like lotion, but I'm concerned about the
I said that.
the content of lotion that people are ingesting. I'll be honest with you. It's not safe.
Surprised that's mango.
No, but it does have the essence of mango.
Ugh. What's wrong? It's like feet.
It's in past tense, too.
They're all essence.
Man, some of them were so strong and some of them were so softy.
But I have a conclusion. All these taste the same.
Right? It is cran raspberry.
That one is, in fact,
Oh, yeah.
I don't like it.
Right? It's horrible.
Oh.
Yeah, that cran really hit.
I like that.
I don't.
okay, so this one is passion fruit.
I knew it. I was going to say it.
Tastes like lotion. I don't like it.
Lotion. Is there a lotion flavor? No, it is passion fruit.
Oh, passion fruit!
This one tastes like perfume.
Cleanse my palate.
Hey, at least I got this
That was
time.
lucky.
Hey, at least I got this
That was
time.
lucky.
Hey, at least I got it.
Yeah, I gotta go to this place. Hold on.
Can I go to this place? Where are we going?
No, this is
It's
apricot.
like a berry. Apricot.
I just had to go to that place.
And as I think about today, I can't help but wonder what was my favorite flavor. And I have to say, I can't choose one. I've got to just try them all. Here we go.
Are you the sort of man who would put the poison into his own goblet or his enemy's?
Best flavor? All of them. Signing off, this is Tyler. Thanks.